Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue is that when you just try to charge your iPhone and they stuck on the same percentage you left on. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? So the first step is that you just go to the settings of your iPhone and just go to the battery section of your iPhone. Just click on that and just click on a battery health and charging. And you have to make sure that you just click the optimize battery charging, so make sure that that tool is turn it on. After that, you just restart your iPhone and again plug in and try to charge. If it's work, then it's good. If it's not work, then we just have to just follow another step. Let you have iPhone cool down for 15 to 10 minutes. If iPhone is hot, then you have to just cool down and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, third step is that check charger and cable. So make sure that you have a original Apple cable and adapter charger so use it when you're facing that issue. So make sure that you're just using original Apple cable and adapter to charge your iPhone. Weak charger shows charging but does not increase. So many fake Apple chargers in the market. So make sure that you're just using the original charger to charge your iPhone. So the fourth step is that you just again restart your iPhone and again wait to 5 to 10 minutes and again charge your iPhone with the original Apple charger. So after that, if your problem goes solve, that's good. But if not solve, then you just have to just check your battery health. So if you don't know where you can check the battery health, just go to the settings. Again, go to the battery and see the option of a battery health and charging. Just click on it and see the option of a maximum capacity. So make sure that you just have a battery health a good 100%, maybe 80% plus battery health. So make sure that. So if you have a minimum from the 80 it's 70, so make sure you just replace your battery. So it's your battery problem. So that's why it's not charging. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.